In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your age on Roblox and make your age 13+. Start by selecting More when in the app. Go across and select Settings. Select Account Info, then find the Birthday option. Click the Edit icon on the side and a window will appear. Set your birthday correctly so you're 13+, then click Continue. A code will be sent to the email address connected to your account. Enter the code into the box provided to confirm. Depending on your account and the age you set, you may be asked to verify with ID or ask your parent. If you choose to verify ID, you will need to upload some sort of proof of who you are and your age. Alternatively, if you have parental controls on your account, then you will need to sign into the parent account or have your parents sign in. Select More from the side, then go across and open the settings. If you're on the website, then click the gear icon in the top corner and select Settings. Open the parental controls, then find the account you want to change the age on. Click the Edit button on the side to edit the account. Go to the Birthday option and click the Edit button again. Adjust the birthday as needed, then click Continue. You now know how to change your age on Roblox to 13+. Please consider leaving a like if you found the video helpful.